what's up, everybody? I appreciate you checking in with me, coming back to the channel. So we got another responding to comments that you guys leave. So I appreciate you. This one today is from Tony. Oh, but before we go, Tony, I need Tony and everybody else that's watching to hit the like, subscribe, and the share button if you're not already subscribed. If you're here now, drop a 1 and let me know you're listening in the comment box. I'd appreciate it. It gives a good thing. It does something great to the algorithm to allow more people to see the videos. Okay, so let's get into it, Tony. So Tony asked a question. He was watching the video how to go from $25 to $5,000. Tony says, interesting. Was this pre-conveyance or post? REO? Question mark. I see properties with no appliances. Do you always bid if they are not there? Tony, I think it depends. If it's pre-sale, I don't. If it's post-sale, yes, I do, because post-sale means that they're ready to get rid of the property that's already been taken from the owner, and the bank has now owned the property. So now they want to make sure the property is in the best condition possible to be resold, because the first person they want to sell to is a first-time home buyer or someone that, you know, has lower qualification before they sell it to an investor. So an investor going to want less money off of it because an investor want to make money off of it, whereas a homeowner loves the neighborhood, the schools, and the property, and they can see themselves living there. So most investors could care less, right? So this was a post sale. So in a post sale, most of the time I do put a bid in for the appliances, right? I put a bid in for the appliances, and most of the time it's already have a bid. They already have a bid, so you can probably look and see what the bid was and maybe knock off $5. I don't know. Just depends on the bank. Some banks don't care about that, or if you can tell them why they need this appliance over another makes a difference, then you know that works too. So yes, I do bid on appliances on a post sale. And this property, I believe, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I believe it was definitely a post sale. So guys, I hope that helped you. I hope you were able to learn something from this. If you have any more questions, drop a comment below or drop a question below so I can answer it. And I'll do my best to get to it as soon as possible. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe, and share button. I would appreciate it. See